Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. So today I'm super excited to be able to share with you these beautiful glam Christmas decor pieces. And also I'm excited to announce that today is day one of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs, which I'm going to be starting again today. And so I hope you do subscribe and enjoy all these 12 days of easy Christmas decor, gift ideas, sweet treats, everything and anything you can think of Christmas decor and ideas. I'm going to go from glam to farmhouse to everything in between. So the first thing we're going to do on today's tutorial is I'm going to share with you how I made this beautiful vase glam style Christmas decor piece. So what I did was grab a fishbowl. You can use any size, and then you're going to spray paint it silver and gold. And I'm spray painting the inside of my fishbowl because I wanted that shiny look from the outside. But of course, you can do the same process and spray paint the outside if you like. So just go little by little, allowing it to dry in between each time you spray it until you're happy with the color. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab some kind of foam, and I'm just using this foam block from Dollar Tree, of course, and I'm going to cut it to size for it to fit into my fishbowl, and then I'm going to add some hot glue in the bottom of my fishbowl, and then just place my foam inside my fishbowl. Then I'm going to cut up different sizes and individual pieces of these glitter floral sticks that you can get at Dollar Tree. These are really, really pretty. They're like the gold vintage color or antique style gold. They're not that shiny, bright gold, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the way they look. So what I did again was just cut them into individual pieces. And this is what I tend to do with all my flower arrangements. Next, you just have fun and start decorating the way you want with all your little pieces of your florals. And I didn't add any flowers to this one. Basically, it's just the stems of the different leaves. And these are like little sticks with glitter on them. I just kept them all in the same color of that antique gold style. So once I added a little, like half of what I intended or thought about adding to my arrangement, I decided that I was going to go ahead and add some Christmas ornaments. So all I did was just add a little bit of glue to my ornaments and then place them right in the center of my arrangement. And then I just started decorating it more with more of the sticks that I had until I was happy with the way it looked and it was as full as I liked. And this is the way two of them look together. So next, what I did was I grabbed the gold glitter sticks that they have at Dollar Tree. And I did think about adding that brass color, and they had that one during fall, but I decided to stick with the more simpler color and just use gold for this arrangement. And I'm also using one of the rings that comes in that sphere of the wreaths that you can get from Dollar Tree, but of course you can use just any wreath that you do have. Next, what I did was just arrange the gold leaves where I wanted them. Then I added some hot glue to the back of my leaf and glued it onto the wreath itself. And if you don't feel comfortable just adding hot glue like I am, you can get some gold wiring and just wrap around your leaf and to tightly onto your metal wreath frame, and it will hold in place just so. So just go ahead and do it either way with hot glue like I did this way, or with some metal wiring and wrap it around your wreath. So you're going to continue doing this until you're happy with the amount of leaves you have on the bottom part of your wreath. Again, I'm super excited to be able to share with you my first time ever making 12 days of Christmas decor. So if you have any ideas and you want me to do anything during these 12 days, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to try to add them on to any of my tutorials for the next 12 days. So I hope you guys enjoy all of the different ideas that I do have in mind to bring you and share with you of different gift ideas, Christmas decorations, even some party centerpieces that I'm thinking of making. So I have quite a few variety of different styles as well to share with you of all these decorations and gift ideas that I have in store for you and in mind to make for all these DIYs for the next 12 days. So once you're done adding all of your leaves down at the bottom, because I wanted this to be more of that modern glam style, but of course you can add so much more to these if you'd like. So once I was done, I set it aside to make sure that all that glue was dry. Then I just grabbed some of this gold meshed style ribbon that they have at Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it around about 3 times just to make sure that I had a large enough bow to add to the top center of my wreath. Then I just added, wrapped around some thinner ribbon around my bow just to complete it. So once I was complete, I just fluffed it up, and then I decided to go ahead and glue it on to the center of my wreath on the top part. I did add a little bit of glue to my ribbon that I'm going to hang it with in order for it to stay in place and to make sure it stays right in the center. So here I am adding a little bit of glue to the bow, and then as well I just tied a knot with that extra ribbon that I had around the center of my bow. And there you have it, a beautiful, beautiful, simple wreath. But after I was done, playing with it, I found this gold angel that I still had in my little box of Christmas decor. So I decided to go ahead and just cut a little piece of that mesh ribbon, wrap it around the halo part of my angel. Then I'm going to glue it to the center of my wreath, just to add that little extra touch that I thought would look absolutely pretty with this wreath as well. Let me know if you're going to add the angel or you're going to leave it without the angel. And there you have it, 2 beautiful, easy glam decor pieces for Christmas. Again, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.